We're making Chinese style green chili eggs today. If you like stir-fried egg dishes alongside your rice, then you've got to try this recipe. First, we're going to make an instant chili sauce. For this, you need 1 mild long red chili pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. To reduce the heat, we're going to remove the seeds and membrane from the chili, and we're going to peel the ginger. I'm using a spoon here to peel the ginger. You can see how easily the skin is removed. Now we're just going to give that a rinse, and we're going to roughly chop this and add it to a small grinder jar or a blender. We're just going to grind this coarsely, and then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. You can adjust these to your taste. Blend this once again, add to a bowl, and we're going to add a little bit of water here, about 1 tablespoon, and you can adjust the sugar and salt to taste. Set this instant chili sauce aside, and this instant chili sauce makes a great condiment on its own, so you might want to save that recipe. Next, we have 2 large green horn peppers. These are very mild. Any mild green chilies will do. We also have 5 eggs, and we're going to beat these eggs with a little bit of seasoning. You can use your favorite soup seasoning, which will have salt and white pepper and garlic powder, onion powder, or you can just use salt and white pepper. I'm adding a little bit of water, just about 1 tablespoon, to get fluffier eggs. Next, we're going to chop that chili. You can remove the seeds, but these chilies are really mild, so I'm not going to remove the seeds. Just chop them up roughly. This makes just over 1/2 cup, and we also need 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Heat some oil in a pan. As the oil heats up, we're going to add the beaten egg mixture. Wait just till it starts to set from the sides, and then we're going to gently fold in from the sides on a low to medium heat. Slowly, just keep folding from the sides of the pan till the egg is set. You don't want to cook this too long. It should just take about 1 minute, no more. The eggs should still be quite soft. Quickly remove to a plate to stop the cooking process. You can see how fluffy those eggs are. Now we're going to heat up a little bit more oil in that pan, add the garlic, and saute briefly till fragrant, and then we can add that instant chili sauce that we made. Now we're just going to cook down this chili sauce for about 1 minute till it develops a nice bright color and the pungency is gone. Once it's cooked through, we can return the chilies and the egg, but first make sure the oil has separated. So it's just about ready. We can return those chopped chilies now. Stir fry briefly till those chilies are just softened, just under 1 minute. And then we can add some black bean sauce or some black bean garlic sauce, just about 1 teaspoon, and stir this through. Now we can return the eggs and quickly scramble the eggs into the mixture. You want the eggs to absorb the flavor of those sauces and the chilies. Not too long, just until everything is nicely mixed through. And at the very end, add just a dash of Asian sesame oil. Gives a great flavor. Quickly remove from heat and garnish with some spring onion greens. This is absolutely delicious as a side dish along with steamed white rice. I hope you try the recipe and enjoy it as much as my family does. Let me know in the comment section down below what kind of recipes you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.